If you don't like grammar but still want to speak well, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's start with on. We use on when talking about being on a bus, train, plane, or boat. Example, I'm on the bus. We use on for buses because you can stand up while riding them. Next, we have in. We use in for cars, taxis, or any small vehicles. Example, she's in the car. We use in for cars because you can't stand up while riding them. Now let's talk about by. We use by to talk about the way we travel. Example, he goes to school by train. Remember, on the bus, in the car, by train. Easy, right? Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm on the plane. She's in the taxi. We go by boat. Great job. Keep practicing these prepositions and soon you'll be a transport pro. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more English tips. See you next time.